The percent daily value is a key part of food labels. It helps consumers understand how the nutrients in a single serving contribute to their total daily diet, making it easier to make healthy food choices. To calculate the percent daily value, divide the amount of the nutrient per serving by the recommended daily amount for that nutrient. Then multiply by 100. This is based on a standard 2,000 calorie diet. Before you calculate the percent daily value, always look at the serving size. A simple rule of thumb for percent DV is the 5-20 rule. A percent daily value of 5% or less is considered low, while a percent daily value of 20% or more is considered high. Look for foods with a high percent daily value, 20% or more, for beneficial nutrients like dietary fiber, and choose foods with a low percent daily value, 5% or less, for saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars. Remember that the percent DV is based on a standard 2,000 calorie diet, so use the percent DV as a guide rather than a strict rule. Visit FoodLabelMaker.com for expert help on nutrition labeling.